is Michelle from Emigh Ace Hardware. I wanted to talk to you about the Gloss-Off by Krud Kutter. It's a wonderful product and I use it on every project that I do. As a furniture painter, everything gets a bath in this. Especially it works fabulous on kitchen grease. Better than TSP, better than Simple Green. It melts away kitchen grease. So if you're painting your kitchen cabinets, this is your go-to product. It cleans it, the glosses, takes off a little bit of that shine, a little bit of the finish so that your next coat sticks and stays. That's very important, especially when you're doing, let's say, a kitchen, a bathroom with that semi-gloss paint. And if you're like me and you don't like to sand, this is an option for you. It's earth-friendly. It will dry out your manicure, so I recommend wearing gloves. I pour a little bit into a small container and I use a Scotch-Brite, something that's got a little bit of a scratchy surface to help with cleaning. Scrub, 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 then take a damp rag and all you're gonna do is wipe off your crud, and if your rag comes back with dirt on it, rinse and do it again. And within 10 minutes it should be clean and you're ready to prime and paint. Fabulous product. I highly recommend you go down to Emigh Ace Hardware and grab yourself some.